Our journey of innovation and progress hits another milestone as our dedicated research and development department undertakes trials for screening mustard and canola varieties. The focus? Selecting those resilient to shattering, boasting high seed setting, and resistant to lodging against adverse cilmatic conditions i.e. high winds and rainfall. In the quest for excellence, our officer meticulously gather field data and conduct post-harvest analysis to ensure the highest standards are met. This dedication underscores our commitment to delivering superior agricultural solutions.
Green Gold is the dream gold, the pioneer of innovation.